Hi, my name is Tommy Guda, and in this episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an awesome paper transition to blow the minds of your viewers. Alright, enough talking, let's get into it. Okay, so here's what the end product is going to look like. Let's get right into creating it. Also, we're going to need a printer for this one, so if you don't have one, maybe you go to someone's house that does, but let's get into it. The filming is a little complicated, but I have the confidence that you guys can do it. To start, you're going to film a clip of yourself. After you film your clip, you're going to want to screenshot the end of it. Crop the screenshot if necessary. Then scroll to the photo and print out your picture. Next, head over to your printer and grab the picture you printed out. Now we are ready to film our second clip. Find a new location to film at, then hold up the piece of paper to the camera. After filming that, we are all ready to hop in the Splice. Now that we're in Splice, press New Project, and then select the 2 clips we filmed, then press Next. Make sure the aspect ratio is good, mine is portrait, which is perfect. Then press Create. Now that our project is created, we need to trim the clips so they start and end when you want them to. For the first clip, I'm going to press and drag the front of the clip to the point where I start waving. That just trimmed off the footage we don't need at the beginning. Next, we're going to scroll and put our playhead right at the spot of the clip where we took our screenshot. Go to the bottom menu and press Split. Then, delete the footage to the right because this is where we're going to start our transition. Now, go to the second clip and press and drag the beginning of the clip to trim it. Drag it to where you want to start the transition of that clip. Then, go to the end of the clip and trim it right where you want it to end. Now is where the magic happens. Go to the beginning of the second clip and use 2 fingers and press and stretch them to zoom into the timeline as far as you can go. The dots you see over your clip are called frames. We want the transition to last 10 frames. So move your playhead and count 10 frames out. As you can see, I'm doing right here. When you're on the last frame, go down to the menu and split the clip. Then, scroll to the left on the menu and select Animate, and then enable Ken Burns. Click on the end frame and zoom the clip out, so it's where it originally was. Then, select the start frame and zoom it in till the picture fills the entire frame as I'm doing here. Then click out of Animate and watch your awesome paper transition. To export it, click the top right button and then press save. That's it for the 3rd episode. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Make sure to tune in for the next episode because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do awesome glitch transitions all through the power of the Splice app. Thanks for watching.